everybody, jacobcrypobury here. I'm your host Jake. Apecoin doesn't care about no bear markets. Look at it. It's pumping back up to $17.44. Unbelievable. Despite interest rates being spiking high and despite inflation sitting at 8%, despite the DXY also pumping before our very own eyes, it just looks like Apecoin doesn't care about anything else. So screw Bitcoin. Maybe I should just move everything into Apecoin. No, don't do that, honestly. But it looks like we do have a bit of a rising wedgie on this particular time frame. On the 2 hour time frame, we do have on the macro scale a rising wedge position. So do consider this as a bearish chart pattern, as we see here, as we got the higher lows as well as the high highs. It is a rising wedge position. So do consider that, and do consider the bearish divergence that we do have playing out on this daily chart, but it doesn't mean we're going to see it play out instantly. I think it's very interesting that Apecoin is one of the few things in the market that is just holding its position right now. So on the 4 hour time frame, we do have a lovely symmetrical triangle. Now if we were to break out to either side of this triangle, measuring this wick, well, one way is going to take us up to around $19.80, and the other direction will take us to around, well, probably a lower support level. I'd at least think around $14.40. Of course, these are just technical targets. It doesn't mean they are going to happen at all, but we are seeing Apecoin pump as I speak right now. And we can see actually the 2 4 hour wicks or candles before this particular activity. We had a lot of buying pressure along this $16 dollar price level. So Apecoin is like very resilient to the bearish sentiment in the market. Bitcoin is falling under its support band. It's under its 200-day moving average. It's lost its 40k support. It could put through a lower low, but Apecoin just has its middle finger up to the rest of the market, and it's doing what it wants to do right here. So a lot of volume, a lot of hype around this project at the moment, guys, but please just know crypto is extremely risky right now. Risk remains very real. It doesn't matter if you think volatility is diminishing, or maybe we're not going to see these big market cycle lows. If we lose some particularly strong resistances with Bitcoin, there's going to be a lot of fear in the market. People will be shaken out like never before. But yeah, this is an Apecoin video, so let's not get too distracted. But what I can see is, of course, a rising wedge position here for Ape, by marrying up these resistances and supports, and we do have that symmetrical triangle. And the symmetrical triangle does look quite good, to be honest. On the RSI, we're sitting, well, we're just following the same trajectory, so we are losing a bit of buying pressure over here. On the hourly time frame, again, we've got some really nice bullish green candles up from $16.20 today, so looking super bullish. Maybe this is why Bitcoin is dumping. Everyone just wants to throw their money into Apecoin. But either way, I think it's possible we can retest this previous all-time high at $18.14 today. Today it could effectively happen if we break through this resistance here. But also consider that, actually I've got this line completely wrong. Also consider that, so if we come through the $17.72 mark, my bad. If we do come through this particular resistance, that's when we can see more momentum to the upside. But do consider the rest of the market is extremely bearish at the moment. So it's just a little update with Apecoin, I suppose. As we can see, DXY is actually pushing back through over 100, broken through this resistance. And it's not a good thing. When the DXY is doing this, we want Bitcoin to be gaining value against the dollar, not losing its value. So US dollar against other indexes and currencies is currently on the rise, which looks particularly good, but this could also be as of a result of inflation and other things. Apecoin at the moment ranked 30, $4.9 billion market cap, $17.20 we're trading at, with $1.3 billion trading volume. That is pretty humongous, guys. And remember, in this space, $5 billion market cap is not particularly that high. We could still see a 10, 15 or $20 billion market cap for Apecoin. We've got some huge news actually coming out for Apecoin. I'm just going to bring that up. Apecoin Metaverse. Because we've got the Bored Ape Metaverse launch date for April 30. And there is a lot of, well, speculation, dubious speculation, shall we say, that Ape will be the coin used to buy, property and land in this particular play to earn Metaverse project. So that's why this is the Bored Ape Club Metaverse, and people are speculating that the Ape coin will have utility in Bored Ape. And that's why we're seeing this particular pump at the moment, guys. Possibly, just possibly. So it's not 100% set in concrete, but leaked slides from a Bored Ape Yacht Club Metaverse presentation stated that over 200,000 land plots of virtual land in other side will be up for sale, and people were saying that Ape will be the governance token for this project. So very exciting times ahead for Apecoin. Maybe we're going to see continuation to the upside, maybe we don't. If we do bust through the previous all-time high at $18.30, I would expect the next price target to be $18.98, and I think at that point it's realistic to say maybe we will be due a bit of a pullback down to some lower Fibonacci resistance and support levels, maybe looking at $16 and $15 to begin with. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video of Apecoin. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash subscribe, hit like, leave a comment down below, come say hello in the Discord channel, also completely free, no strings attached. If you want to grab some cryptocurrency today on the best exchange, most safe, beginner-friendly exchange, use my link in the description at the very top. And yeah, please do not follow exactly what I do. I'm just a YouTuber. None of this is financial advice. I'm just giving you the information so you don't have to do the research yourself. Bye-bye.